Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a dinosaur. We're going to go over how to draw Troodon, and this is from the Jurassic World Camp Cretaceous TV show. It's going to be very simple, easy for beginners, so stick around. It's going to be a very short video, and you'll learn how to draw this guy by the very end. So let's hop right into it. Before that, though, hit the like button if you like dinosaur drawing lessons. Let's jump right in. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Troodon from Jurassic World Camp Cretaceous, okay? It's going to be very simple, really cool dinosaur design, very similar to the raptor. So let's get started, okay? So right off the bat, I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to go down right here for kind of the edge of the mouth. And I'm going to pull a line back up, kind of for the opening of the mouth. Back over here, up. For kind of the cheekbone there. These markers smell, so do yourself a favor, like leave a fan on, leave a window on. Definitely kind of, be careful about those. Up for the top part of the snout. Up over here for the kind of around the eye. Up over here for the upper part of the brow. And down here, up. Curve underneath. Line underneath here. Curve back. Back over here. Line underneath. Open. So you got that kind of open mouth thing. You're already starting to see it, right? Like you're already starting to see that open mouth. Kind of like a duck mouth right now, of course, without the teeth. Please do me a favor, hit the like button right now if you like Jurassic World. I can do way more tutorials on every single dinosaur you can think of. There's a playlist as well, so you can go check that out. I'll try to put that in the link. But when you click the like button, it kind of helps the video out, and I'll realize what you want more of. Let's go over here. Draw the teeth over here, trying to vary the size. And literally it's just triangles down. Very, very simple, right? Dot right here, kind of make them look menacing. Pull the mouth out just a little bit more. Curve underneath, pull up, back. Teeth up. Down over here, up, down. Over here, the nostril. Line over here. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna pull the line down for the neck. Line over here for the throat, right? It has a throat. That's something that a lot of people forget about. They just kind of throw the line here, but you want to make sure to include that throat, right? Up over here. And swoop for the tail. We can just kind of pull it up there. Right on. Good stuff. Let's go over here for kind of the chest area. Curve over here for the arm down. Line over here for the arm over here, kind of the wrist. Back over here, this area. And pull up. Curve underneath here. Down over here for the hind leg. Pulling back. Let's find that heel over here. Down. Down. And Troodon also has that kind of raptor claw that's aiming upward. Right over here, down, and then to the other claw. That's kind of touching the floor. All right. Gonna pull up to the leg. Curl up over here. The leg gets bigger as it goes up to kind of the body. And now what I want to do is I want to kind of find the lower part of the body here, lower part of the body here, and curl up over here to the tail. It's a little too big right there, but you can kind of cheat it like that. Cool, cool. Let's go over here to the hand now. right here. He's got a claw. Another claw. Another claw right here. All right. He does have this opposable thumb thing on the far side, but go over here on the far end. Up. Down. Down. Curve. Curve. Curve over here, and we got the thumb on this side for the claw there. So he's got this like very hooky hands right here. Far end leg down. Back over here. And I want to fill in this back leg. The reason I want to do that is because it gives it depth. There we go. And maybe a line right here under the arm, kind of the lats. Thinner line right here. Curvature right here where the leg kind of attaches to the body. And now we're going to do something that Troodon, like they say, put in his design in Camp Cretaceous. It's going to be this kind of spiked area right here on his head. And over here a little bit of a spiked area in his back. That's probably the biggest difference between something like Velociraptor and him. Let's go over here for kind of the design right here on Troodon. That's the kind of the design they give him in the show. Difference in color just a bit there. And line over here. If you want, you can go down into the details now, like the spine of the kind of feet right here, lines upward, curvature of the leg. Excuse me. Thin lines right here to show the folds in the neck. Lines right here underneath the eye, you know, the kind of folding in the eye. And that's pretty much it. I want to thank you very much for watching. That was Troodon. You can throw some lines right here in the spines or whatever that he has. Troodon's a really cool dinosaur. Let me know if you watch Camp Cretaceous. I'm so curious if you watch that show. The show is really interesting. But yeah, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Do me a favor and share the video. And I will talk to you in the next one, okay? So hit me up. Don't forget we have cool coloring books, and then we have a free ebook on how to draw anything cute. That is totally free, the ebook. Go take a look at that. And there's a lot of free goodies in the description, so go take a look at that, okay? See you later.